Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to check your ZIMSEC O Level results online. This guide is perfect for students and parents who want an easy, step-by-step tutorial. Let's get started. ZIMSEC Online Results Portal provides a convenient and secure way for candidates to access their results. To view your results, you will need to register an account, log in with your details, and navigate to the Candidate Results section. This process is designed to ensure quick and easy access as soon as results are released. Step 1. Open your browser. First, open your internet browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Type ZIMSEC website in the search bar or go directly to www.zimsec.co.zw and press enter. Step 2. Find the results portal. Access your results online. Once the website loads, look for the results section. Sometimes it's at the top or in a menu. Click on O Level Results or Portal. Step 3. Enter your details. Now, you need to enter your exam details. You will need your examination number, your year of exam, e.g. 2023-2020 or sometimes your surname. Type these carefully and click Submit or View Results. Step 4. View and download results. Great! Your results will now appear on the screen. You can check your grades. Take a screenshot, press Print Screen or use your phone's camera. Download the PDF if available. Make sure to save or print your results for future use. If you have problems, check your internet connection. Make sure your exam number is correct. Try again later if the website is busy. If you are still stuck, comment below and I'll help you. That's it. Now you know how to check your ZIMSEC O Level results online. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.